Want to speak like a pro? Stop using this wrong sentence. તમે પણ આ ભૂલ કરો છો. But not after this reel. Never say I didn't went. Say I didn't go. Did હોય કે did not હોય, હંમેશા V1 ફોર્મ જ આવે. Don't say discuss about. Say discuss. Discuss about નહીં, ફક્ત discuss આવે. Instead of according to me, say in my opinion. According to me નહીં, in my opinion કહો. So friends, these 3 changes will instantly make your English clearer and smarter. English smart બોલવું easy છે. Follow for more English grammar tips.